Hi, my name is Jason Michael. This is my presentation for laser engraving setup for column 115. First things we need to do is look at the machine. When you put your acrylic in, you always want to have your face clean and your back with paper on. That's so that when you're moving around on the table, it doesn't get scratched up. You use these to line up your acrylic. You want to try to get it as straight as possible. Now we need to remove the laser machine. Use these buttons here to move it. Once you get it to where you want, you have to hit origin. Once you hit origin, it sets that as 0, 0. Over here are your buttons. This is your main power. This is your laser. You always want to have that off unless you need it. This is your air and this is your water. Your water is for your laser tube. The water flows through that tube to cool it down as it's running. Over here is your water. You need to have ice in it so it keeps it at cool degrees so it cools down the laser. The laser runs at 3,000 degrees. Once you get your origin and we went over some safety stuff, you always want to make sure that your height of your plate is about the distance of that gauge right there. You want to have a little bit of play because of the metal. It's got some wobbles in it. Come over here and we can go over some of this filing. This file here is already made, but you can manipulate it. You can mirror stuff and you can view a presentation of what your product's going to look like. Once you have all your files done, you can select everything and hit start. Now that we have our laser running over here, we do not have any power to our laser tube. We're just testing to make sure that's where we want that piece. And we can tell where that laser's at by looking at this keychain. That's going to tell you where that's going to land at. So we can go ahead and stop this and hit escape, and we can close this lid up. This lid has the natural UV protection to it. This lid will protect your eyes, but you do not want to stare at this lid at the laser while it's running. We have to go over here and turn your power switch on for your laser. Hear it firing up. It takes a little while to boot up, and now you can hit start. We can't look at this laser, but we can put the camera back behind there and you can actually see the tube firing. Camera back there. You can look through the camera, but do not look at it with your eyes, because that laser has a natural UV to it, and it can burn your retinas of your eyes. You always want to make sure that you're prepared for some kind of an explosion from the tube, a fire, or electrical short. The AC over here has to be on. That way it keeps it below 80 degrees in the building. If it's above 80 here, we have to shut the laser down because it has to be in a controlled environment with that laser tube. If it overheats, it will explode. This here is a rotary. You can put Yeti cups on here, and as it moves, it will turn the cup. And that hooks up directly to my machine. Now we are burning over here. We will have to run that burn line twice because it's a thick plate and we need to go through it so that way it falls right out. Otherwise it won't fall out. That's what happened to the one next to it. It didn't burn all the way through, so we can't get that piece out, and it's extremely hard to line things back up once it's moved. We'll come over here. We'll deselect everything. We'll hold shift and we'll select our burn lines, and we'll hit start. Now the machine's cutting the holes. There's all kinds of stuff we can do with this program. We can make blocks, we can make rectangles, we can add words, we can mirror stuff. We can do all kinds of processing for the etching. We can select our error rates. We can do bitmaps. And we're done. Now this should fall right out. See? That's because we cut it twice, and there's your finished product. We'll take the back off. Notice how you don't get no scratches because we left that on. You wipe it. Me and my son, we like to paint them. That way it brings out all the etchings. And then we put a key ring on it. And that's your finished product. Thank you.